In today's video guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram story problem. First thing, open the settings and then go to the wireless and networks, go to the Wi-Fi, disable the Wi-Fi that you are connected to and enable it again. Go back to the settings on your phone and then open the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, now search for Instagram and just click on it exactly like that, and then click on force stop. After that, click on storage or the internal storage right like this. Click on clear data and delete. That's it. Go back. Now all what you want to do next is very simple. Just open the Play Store, and if you are using the iPhone, open the App Store, search for Instagram and update. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.